Diamond Mustang. Rev it. Yeah, those tips look better on it. I like it. Nice! What do you guys think? I love it. Enjoy, guys. Please hit that subscribe and like button. You guys can still hear it. Nice! This is my boy's 14 5.0. He said he's gonna go sideways. So let's see what this Mustang can do. GT 5.0. Got long tube headers, everything full H-pipe system with probably either Magna packs or some kind of glass pack system. And then a Flowmaster cat back. So he said he's gonna go sideways. Let's see. Ford Mustang, straight pipe all the way back, 3-inch. That was like a beast. He's gonna go beast mode. You gotta go beast mode, bro.